Imagine you're the last wall between the goal and the striker. Your job? Make sure nothing gets past you. You don't need to be the tallest. You don't need to be the fastest. But if you can position yourself smartly, you can become a wall no one gets past. Today, I'll show you how to defend like Prime Van Dijk, not with slide tackles and reckless dives, but with brain, balance, and brilliant positioning. These are step-by-step positioning tips designed for beginners. No complicated drills, no football jargon. Just simple moves and clear ways to practice. Let's get started. Step 1. The defensive stance. Be side on, not square. Here's mistake number 1. Standing square. Both feet facing forward. It may feel natural, but it locks your hips and makes it hard to turn. Instead, do what Van Dijk does. Turn your body slightly sideways. This is called a side-on stance. Now you looks like a boxer, ready to move left or right. Weight slightly forward, knees soft, back straight. Think of your feet like 2 pedals, ready to push off in either direction. This stance gives you balance, speed, and control. It's your defensive foundation. Step 2. Control the distance, the defensive cushion. Many beginners either back off too much or they rush in too close. The secret? Stay at a distance where you can pressure the attacker but still react. That's called the defensive cushion, about 1 extended arm's length away. Don't reach for the ball, just mirror their movement. Left when they go left, right when they go right. You're not chasing. You're containing. You're saying, I see you. You're not going anywhere. That calm confidence. That's Van Dijk energy. Step 3. Guide, don't chase, show them the outside. Every great defender knows you don't just follow the attacker. You guide them, like a shepherd guides sheep. Force them toward the sideline, away from danger. Block the path to the goal with your body angle. You're not running around wildly. You're leading them, like chess, not checkers. Van Dijk rarely makes tackles, because he rarely has to. He forces attackers where they have no options, and then calmly wins the ball. Step 4. Head on a swivel. Constant awareness. Here's what separates average defenders from great ones. Awareness. If you only look at the ball, you'll miss everything else. But if you check your surroundings every few seconds, you'll start to feel 1 step ahead. It's called checking your shoulder. Every 3 to 4 seconds, do a quick scan, left, right, behind. That's how you anticipate, not just react. You become the defender who sees problems before they happen. Van Dijk doesn't panic. He's already seen the pass coming. Step 5. Always stay goal side. It sounds obvious, but it's often forgotten in the chaos of a match. Always stay goal side of your opponent. That means you stand between the attacker and the goal at all times. If they try to turn, you're already there. If they make a run, you track them while staying in the line of fire. Imagine yourself as a human shield. That's what defenders do. Not flashy, but essential. Step 6. Don't dive in. Be ice cold. Don't lunge. Don't swipe. Don't get fooled by fancy footwork. Van Dijk is famous for not diving in. He waits, and then takes the ball without even sweating. Stay low. Stay calm. Let the attacker make the mistake. Then, pounce. Football is a game of seconds. Patience wins duels. Panic loses them. Step 7. Use your body smartly. Legal strength. You're allowed to use your body, but smartly. Shield the ball. Use your arms for balance, not fouls. Time your body contact so it's firm but clean. This is what Van Dijk excels at. Clean strength. No need for roughness, just great timing and presence. The attacker feels the pressure, and they know, this guy's a wall. I'm not getting through. Recap. Become the wall. Let's recap how you can defend like Prime Van Dijk. 1. Side-on stance equals better balance and movement. 2. Defensive cushion equals close enough to react, not too close to get beat. Third force outside equals away from goal, into the less dangerous zone. 4. Check your shoulder, trick awareness of runs, passes, and danger. 5. Stay goal side. Never give a free path to the net. 6. Don't dive in. Wait, hold your ground, then win the ball. 7. Use your body. Shield, not shove. These are the building blocks of elite defending. You don't need 1,000 drills. You need these 7 habits, and the discipline to use them every time. Now it's your turn. Head outside. Grab a friend. Practice holding that stance, controlling your distance, forcing them wide. Even 5 minutes a day can change the way you play. Remember, Van Dijk wasn't always Van Dijk. He trained, he learned, he built these habits. So can you. We've got defending, dribbling, passing, and even match IQ videos coming your way. Simple, friendly, fun. Keep training, keep learning, and always defend like a wall.